ॐ हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पोषणपावृणु सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. I welcome everybody to the Swadhyaya Jnana Yajna program by Academy of Yoga and Oriental Studies, Bhubaneswar. This is a lecture series on Gheranda Samhita by Dr. Indulata Das, Director, Academy of Yoga and Oriental Studies, Bhubaneswar. This is lecture number 31 of Gheranda Samhita and lecture number 22 of second chapter of Gheranda Samhita. Today we'll discuss on Kurmasana. Now let us see what is the significance of the name Kurmasana. Why it is called Kurmasana? What is Kurma and what is Asana? Asana is the posture, and Kurma means a tortoise. In this asana, the 2 feet of the practitioner are kept in such a way that it resembles the rear feet of a tortoise. A tortoise has 4 feet and the practitioner has 2 feet. He has to sit in such a way, he has to keep his 2 feet in such a way that it resembles the rear 2 feet of a tortoise. Therefore, it is called Kurmasana. Now, this is the picture of a kurma or a tortoise, and look at the rear feet, how it is kept. So, the practitioner has to imitate the position of the rear feet of the tortoise. Therefore, it is called Kurmasana, the posture of tortoise. Now, how the what is the technique of Kurmasana in Gheranda Samhita, second chapter, sloka number 32. We find the description of Kurmasana. The sloka goes like this. Gulpau cha prasuna sadho vikramena samahito rujukaya sirogrivam kurmasanamiti. That means one should put both his heels under the scrotum in reverse. His heels under the scrotum in reverse wedge. And he has to keep his body straight. He has to keep his body, neck and head in a straight line. He has to sit straight. This is called Kurmasana. Now steps how we can do it. He has to sit on the ground first, then he should bend his right leg and keep it in such a way that the heel presses the anus and the foot is kept in reverse position. Then he should keep the left leg in the same way to the left side. He may do the left side first, then right side, or right side first, then the left side. Then he should keep his body, neck and head straight. These are the 4 steps of Kurmasana. So like this he can do Kurmasana. Let us see how it is done. Kurmasana by Sunil Kumar Devata. He has kept both his heel. Kurmasana, that means the basic benefits of the asana. He will get the practitioner will get the basic benefits of the asanas. That means asanas keep the body light. Practices this asana. Kurjatadasanam starya marogyam changalagapam. This is told in Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Now let us compare the Kurmasana of Gheranda Samhita with the Kurmasana of Hatha Yoga Pradipika. How it is done in Hatha Yoga Pradipika, whether there is similarity or there is difference or what. Now the description of Kurmasana in Hatha Yoga Pradipika, it is given in first chapter, sloka number 22. The sloka goes like this. Gutang niruddha gulphabhyam vitkramena samahitaha kurmasanam bhavete tatiti yoga viduhu. So here the same thing. The translation goes like this. The practitioner should sit straight and cover the anus with 2 heels, put in reverse position, reverse way. He should keep his mind concentrated. Here, samahita means mind should be concentrated. The knower of yoga call it Kurmasana. Kurmasanam bhavete tat iti yoga viduhu. Yoga vidah means those who know about yoga, they call it Kurmasana. There's description of Kurmasana. Now how the steps are done. The practitioner should sit on the ground, then he should bend his right leg the same way and keep it in such a way that the heel presses the anus and the foot is kept in reverse wedge. Then he should keep the left leg in the same way to the left side. He may bend the left leg first and right leg after, or he may do it in any way he pleases. Then he should sit straight with a concentrated mind. Here, the concentrated mind is added. This is Kurmasana, the same position, the same way, done in the same way, looks like the rear feet of a tortoise. So this is Kurmasana perfectly done by Sunil Kumar Devta. The benefits, no specific benefit of Kurmasana have been mentioned in Hatha Yoga Pradipika also. It means the general benefit, Kurijatad Asanam Staijam Arogyam Changalakava. That means practice of Kurmasana would keep the body light, could keep the body steady, and keep the body disease free. So these are the basic benefits that one will get from Kurmasana. Similarities and differences between the Kurmasana of Gheranda Samhita and Hatha Yoga Pradipika. The similarities are more. Number one sits on the ground, puts both his heels under the scrotum in reverse way. These are the similarities, and there is no actual difference actually. The Gheranda Samhita advises to keep the head, neck, and body in a straight line. Hatha Yoga Pradipika does not give any such advice, but it is understood he has to keep his head, neck, and body in a straight line. Otherwise, that is not possible. And in Hatha Yoga Pradipika, it is advised to sit with concentrated mind. That is also always required while doing asanas. Any asana, concentration of mind is required. So there is almost no difference. Both the asanas are same. Thank you for listening to this lecture. I shall be happy if you have any question and you write it in comment box. I shall answer your questions. Thank you again for listening to this lecture.